enjoy taking this dual credit program solely for the fact that it gives me the opportunity to explore what I want to do with my future, as well as also kind of giving me a little bit of preparation before going into post-secondary.
The dual credit program gives us the opportunity to introduce our students, in my case, into the trades.
When we bring those students in for heavy duty, they get that confidence. So they've seen those tools, they at least know which end of the tool to hold, they know what the tool's for. They won't know everything, but they at least have the beginning experience to say, I'm gonna start to see where my future leads.
It really puts you in the one direction that you need to go. And even if it's metalworking and you want to work in woodworking, it's still a field out there, and it definitely helps you see what the real world will be like. And I would definitely say it's worth it no matter what. Doesn't matter what trade you want to get into, it's worth it.
So they get to see what the world is like outside of a high school, be it a post-secondary institution or a pathway. So they get enlightened to see what the future offers for them.
The biggest things that have changed for me is definitely me being able to access that sense of independence, as well as opening up my circle to meeting new people.
So seeing those students having the experience with dual credit and having that post-secondary experience and studying the skills that they pick up are preparing them in such a great way. They come into the post-secondary world with already knowing study habits, understanding how schedules work, what's required of them as being a student.
If I was to summarize dual credit into one word, I would say it would be opportunity. It's a fantastic outlet for students to start to look at what the next step is out of high school, and then the opportunity of embracing post-secondary education.
I think the biggest skill set that they learn is they get to connect what they're learning in high school with what they're actually going to learn in the field.
I also emphasize the importance of their regular learning. So what they do learn in school, I bring it into the shop, and we do a little bit of physics and we do a little bit of math, just so that they understand that all the courses that they're learning in high school are transferable into industry, and they're going to be there forever. Math is never going to go away.
Well, it's shown me that I have to look into school a lot more, as where my sciences and maths, I really have to pay more attention. So like for welding, I'd want to take chemistry and maybe a little bit of physics.
I'm not very much a sit down in class kind of person, so having something like this to motivate me to do better in some of the things that I don't enjoy is definitely a massive, massive help.
Definitely has been a lot of fun. It actually has made me want to go to Olds full time for whatever else I do.
I think it's also the support network that they receive. Being a dual credit student versus being just a post-secondary student on your own, the amount of support that comes from not only the teachers and the instructors from understanding that it's a different way of learning and that extra support is needed, to the teacher liaisons and the school board support is absolutely incredible, and it shows with the rate that we have that still stay through and see through to the end of the program.
Dual credit is a pathway to success.
It's definitely improved for me a lot, and I have a lot more confidence in what I can do now.
I think that if anybody has the opportunity to explore dual credit, that they should go for it, because it's honestly, you have nothing to lose. If this isn't what you want to pursue, it's one more thing you got a chance to experience. It's one more thing that you get to know for certain.
I would definitely be, don't let your nerves get to you. I know I was so nervous to be jumping into something like that, but trust me, you'll regret it if you don't. It's changed my life, and I know the many friends that I've made here, they've changed theirs too.
Every time that I meet with the students for the first time, I'll say that I'm so proud of you guys. You are doing something that's incredible. You're ending up that you're graduating high school, and you're also graduating with a post-secondary certificate, which is just such an incredible feat. Something that I wouldn't have been able to do or have the confidence to do when I was younger.
I'm forever grateful for the opportunities that dual credit has given me.
I have nothing but great things to say about dual credit. The opportunities that it provides, not only for the students, but also for us as instructors to see what kind of the next generation is looking for in our programming.